Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to export playlists onto USB with Rekordbox version 6. Format your USB flash drive to FAT32. For PC, right-click the drive in the Explorer, select Format and choose FAT32 and click on Start. Next, right-click a playlist in Rekordbox and select Export Playlist or drag it directly to your USB drive. To keep your playlist updated, use the Sync Manager. Enable Synchronize Playlist with device to auto-sync changes. Enable Synchronize iTunes playlists in the Sync Manager. Select the playlist you want and click on Sync arrow. To upload memory and hot cues from your CDJ back to Rekordbox, use the Sync Manager and click the appropriate arrow. From DG Tips, subscribe. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.